Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how you can make eggless burger buns in the convenience of your home. So let's begin. Here I've taken a bowl into which I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of yeast, and I've taken 3/4 cup of warm water. It should be lukewarm, that you should be able to touch it with your finger. Put the yeast into the bowl, and then I've also taken 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have taken brown sugar here, but you can also take the normal white sugar that you eat at home. Now what the sugar does to the yeast is it acts as a food and it helps to activate the yeast. Now let's mix the warm water into the yeast. Now you need to mix this properly and keep it in a dark warm place for 10 minutes so that it froths and bubbles up. Now while the yeast is bubbling, let's look at the other ingredients. We've taken atta, maida, salt and butter. Now you can see that the mixture has bubbled up. Now here I have taken both maida as well as atta. I've taken a mixture of both so that the recipe becomes a little healthier. Now we need to take all the dry ingredients and put them into the yeast mixture. I've put in the maida, now I am putting it the atta, and I'm also going to mix in the salt. Mix this using a spoon. You will notice that the consistency of this is not rather like a dough but like a batter. Don't worry, we will knead it and turn it into a dough. So what I've done is I've cleaned my countertop and spread some maida on it so that I can knead it conveniently with my hand. Now transfer the mixture from the bowl onto the countertop and get ready to get your hands dirty. The next and the most important step in this process of making the buns is kneading the dough. You need to knead the dough so that when you stretch the dough for 1 or 2 centimeters, it can easily stretch without breaking. That is, you are helping the dough gain elasticity. Here you can see that the dough has become pliable. Now we need to add the softened salted butter. Once you add the butter, you might notice that the dough starts getting separated. The dough might start losing its elasticity. Kneading the dough in a push and pull fashion as being demonstrated in the video will help you set the dough back into its proper shape. You need to knead it for a good 4 to 5 minutes to achieve this consistency. Once you achieve a smooth dough, divide it into equal portions. And start forming dough balls out of it. While forming the balls, make sure you tuck it from the bottom so that a dome is formed. Now I am rubbing some butter onto the top so that while they are resting, they do not develop a coating onto them. Once you're done with the coating of butter, Place these on a baking tray and let them rest for 45 minutes so that these can become double in size. Wow, here you can see that the buns have doubled up in size. Now what I'm doing here is I'm coating them with water and sprinkling some sesame seeds on the top because these look nice. You can also brush them with milk and then sprinkle the sesame seeds. These are now ready to be popped into the oven. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. At the end of those 25 minutes, when you pop them out of the oven, make sure to brush them with butter so that the tops remain soft. Your eggless burger buns are now ready. Enjoy! Please like the video, share it with your friends and family, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.